My name's Alex Kilgour and I am the Centre's Clinical Fellow and I'm in the second year of a PhD. I think the Centre is a really excellent place for somebody like myself to be doing a PhD, partly because the Centre has several different groups, all of which the strands would have been separate in the university before, and now they're kind of all brought together under this one centre. The research I'm doing, which involves staff from the endocrine world, staff from the epidemiology world, staff from the geriatric world. The centre really brings them all together into one group, and that makes this a really unusual PhD to be doing. I received a pilot grant from the Centre, and with that funding I was able to undertake a project that otherwise I wouldn't have been able to do. It brought back 25 of the Lothian birth cohort volunteers and we imaged their thigh muscles and looked to see whether there was a relationship between the size of the the subjects' neck muscles and their thigh muscles. Neck muscles haven't been something that's really been studied before, and some of the researchers I was working with thought that perhaps neck muscles weren't as interesting within the realm of sarcopenia because people have to constantly hold their head up. So even if they're frail and sitting at home and not able to sit up by themselves, they still are maintaining their head control. So they wondered whether neck muscles might age in a different way. But the fact that even in people in their 70s, neck muscle size seems to correlate or have a relationship with thigh muscle size so strongly indicates that neck muscle size is a good measure of how your body's muscles are aging in general. We already have data about muscle strength in the Lothian birth cohort and brain function, all the sort of cognitive ability tests, and brain size. So we've got measures of muscle size, muscle strength, brain size and brain function, and we're going to look at the correlations between those aspects.